How to delete blocked numbers on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can delete blocked contacts from the Realme device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, we have to get to the blocked contacts. So for that, open up the phone application in your mobile device. Tap on the three dot at the top right and then go to your settings. Here, look for blocked contacts or blocked numbers. Tap on it. Now you have to find the contact that you want to delete in block list. So here tap on the number and then you have to remove from the block list or unblock the number. Now you have to go back to your contacts application and then you have to find the contact that you just unblocked. So with the help of this search bar, search for the contact that you just unblocked and tap on the contact and then simply select delete. So here you have to note that unblocking is necessary before you can delete a contact, as blocked contacts cannot be deleted directly from the block list. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.